The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, western Madison County in northwestern Arkansas, northwestern Carroll County in northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 3 miles west to southwest of West Siloam Springs, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado, golf ball-sized hail, and wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour. Source: radar confirmed tornado impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Siloam Springs, Watts, West Siloam Springs, Gentry, Sinterton, Bentonville, Town, Johnson, Elm Springs, Oak Grove, Springdale, Little Flock, Rogers, Peerage, Garfield, Brightwater, Walnut Hill, Avoca, and Westville. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. This tornado is highly capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour. Do not wait, take cover now. To repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Benton, Washington, Madison, and Carroll, and the following counties in Oklahoma, Delaware, and Adair.